Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be checking out some more hair transformations. So here we have someone getting some color added to their strands. Oh wow, look at this beautiful red copper colored hair transformation. Her hair looks absolutely stunning, and this is of course one of the hottest hair trends that we are seeing this season. Next up, we move into a pixie haircut change. So after the cut, the stylist goes back in and adds some color. Oh, wow. Absolutely stunning. She does have that popular asymmetrical shape with this. Beautiful kind of layered choppy texture going there at the top. Oh, this is absolutely gorgeous. Very nice. Now, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles spotted within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Next up, looks like we have yet another pixie hairstyle. A lot of hair going there in the front, playing into that pixie bob hair trend. Wow, I love the edgy shape and texture of this pixie bob. It has a very dramatic angle. Wow, this is gorgeous. Very nice. The color combination looks amazing as well. And a nice asymmetrical shape, longer on one side versus the other. And then we have another big chop transformation with a hair donation. So the hair is placed in ponytails, and we have two stylists doing the cut for this one. Beautiful mid-length cuts with the tousled curls. Very nice, simple and chic style. So for the next transformation, she's going to be cutting her hair. She has beautiful natural curly strands. Oh, wow. She also decided to switch it up with an asymmetrical pixie. I love the amount of volume that this has. So sophisticated and polished. Very nice. Next up, we also have someone who has curly hair. It looks like we have two shaggy haircuts, some other curly haircut ideas. And when it comes to curly hair, we're seeing a lot of variety this season. We're seeing a lot of curly pixies, bobs, and of course the shag being one of the most popular. Beautiful curly hairstyles, very nice. And I like the fact that she has different textures of hair that she's working with. Next up, we have the pixie haircut. Now the pixie is a great in-between hair option of a traditional pixie and a bob. The stylist does a bit of a mushroom shape here, doing the baby bang trend. Very nice. I love the overall shape of this. Right on trend for this season. Beautiful bob haircuts, really playing into that mini bob trend. I love the copper ginger color that she has, so pretty. Next up, we see someone with mid-back length hair. Stylist has the scissors and begins to cut, and bam, beautiful shoulder length bob. She also got some color with this one, really playing into that ombre trend. Her hair looks amazing. Next up, we see someone with hair just above their shoulders. Ooh, looks like she decided to get a nice pixie with some finger waves and go blonde. So this next client wanted to add in some baby lights. That's pretty much a tame version of your traditional highlighted look. A lot of women like the baby lights because it looks more natural versus highlights. Oh, wow. Now this really enhanced her natural gray. This is absolutely gorgeous. Very nicely done. The dimension is just breathtaking. So it looks like we have a bit of a moisture repair situation here. Now she's got some really pretty lavender hair color. The stylist touches up the roots. So even though her hair is a bit dry, the stylist does add some more color. And wow, look at this pink shaggy style. Her hair is gorgeous. So playing into that Barbie hair trend, here is another hot Barbie hair idea. So it looks like she did go pink for this one. Gorgeous color. Very nice. Alright you guys, so I hope you have enjoyed checking out all these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.